Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. INGEAR's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. autoXscape by INGEAR is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. autoXscape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and two separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps autoXscape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it. As your loved ones hit the open road, trust that autoXscape's exceptionally equipped auto safety features will keep them safe and out of harm's way. autoXscape by INGEAR. Always there, always prepared.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the Etekcity water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman Multitool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72 Row 12, Seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
At Bushnell Outdoors, every product is evaluated by one simple standard: performance is everything. When it came to designing the new PowerSync portable power line, Bushnell worked tirelessly to build the hardest working line of portable solar devices on the market. When it comes to collecting solar energy, it all begins with surface area. The larger the panel, the more cells available to collect energy from the sun. You know, unfortunately, until now, that's left consumers with less than ideal options. Like the rigid, bulky solar panels that are tough to pack into the outdoors, or those miniature panels that just don't have the capture capacity. Thanks to the new PowerSync product from Bushnell Outdoors, that's all about to change. Using the thin film solar technology that's rollable or foldable, PowerSync gives consumers a portable, lightweight solar option that can be quickly and easily deployed. Unlike the crystalline-style panels on the market today, PowerSync continues to collect solar energy even when full sunlight isn't available, making it the most versatile and efficient solar product on the market. And it gets even better. An integrated lithium-ion battery system allows the PowerSync device to be charged even before you depart for your next adventure, giving you your very own portable power station right from the moment you step off the grid. Now, once you've reached your destination, it's simple plug-and-play to recharge devices, thanks to a quick charge circuitry that charges devices at the speed of a wall charger. And with its expansive solar collection capacity, it's easy to refuel the PowerSync battery and ensure that you'll always have power available when you need it, day or night. When performance is everything, count on PowerSync by Bushnell Outdoors. PowerSync by Bushnell Outdoors, the simple way to power your device off the grid.